In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an editable Canva link. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your design into a link that anyone with access can open and edit, perfect for real-time collaboration without emailing files back and forth. First, open your Canva design, head to the specific project you want to share, and make sure it's the correct version. If you have multiple pages, double-check that you're in the right file and that any recent changes have saved. Canva saves automatically, but it's always smart to glance at the top bar for a saved confirmation before you share. Next, look to the top right corner of Canva and click the Share button. This is your main control center for who can access your design and what they're allowed to do with it. If you're not seeing it right away, expand your browser window or close any side panels so the Share button is visible. Now let's adjust the link access. Under Link Settings or Access Level, you'll likely see it set to Restricted by default. Change that from restricted to anyone with the link. Restricted means only specific people you've invited by email can open it. Anyone with the link means anyone who has the link can access it. This doesn't make your design publicly searchable. It just allows access to people who receive the link from you. Keep in mind that collaborators may need a free Canva account to edit. After setting the access, choose the permission level. In the next dropdown, select Can Edit. This is the key change that makes your link truly editable, not just viewable or comment only. If you leave it on Can View or Can Comment, people will be limited to looking or giving feedback. Can Edit lets them move elements, change text, swap images, and save changes directly to the design. Only switch to Can Edit when you trust the recipients, because they'll have full editing power. With the access and permissions set, click Copy Link. Canva will place the link on your clipboard instantly, ready to share wherever you need. That's it. The link you just copied will open the exact design with edit permissions for anyone who has it. Quick recap. Open your design, click Share in the top right, change access from restricted to anyone with the link, set the permission to Can Edit, and then copy the link. For best results, share this only with people you trust and consider duplicating your design beforehand if you want a backup.